Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this Withered Rose set in the Dress and Press Petal update. Okay, let's get into it guys. To get this set, you need to go to this menu and then you're going to buy the Withered Rose set here. As you can see, at least we need 5,200 to get this set, and you can tap on view and you can buy all these items from the Withered Rose set. Okay, as you can see, I have owned all these items, and if you want to wear the items, of course, you can go to the dressing room and then you're going to select this menu. And you can wear all the items from the Withered Rose set. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!